REPOSAL winding machine is born in response to the sequence. The winding of thick enamel wires has always been a pain point in the industry. Loose coils and uneven interlayer structures not only affect the performance of transformer coils, but also pose potential safety hazards. The CMP winding machine is equipped with an advanced precision tension control system, which can adjust the tension in real time according to the characteristics of the wire to achieve zero-waste wire arrangement. With its impeccable ultra-high precision, it can accurately control the coil winding, significantly reducing the copper material redundancy by more than 5%. The unique extremely compact structural design increases the coil space utilization rate by 10%. This not only provides more possibilities for the design optimization of transformers, but also helps products achieve miniaturization to meet the diversified needs of the market. The CMP winding machine focuses on the characteristics of various special coils, making each coil perfectly presented and making your production safer and more reliable. Look at this thick enamel wind, tightly wound, with flat interlayers and extremely compact structure. With millimeter-level precision and zero crossing quality, winding is no longer simple repetitive action, but a competitive edge for enterprises. We are committed to creating more compact structures and more excellent performance for your core electrical components such as motors, transformers, and inductors. Let every winding be a promise of quality. XIEP, you is with you, working together for mutual benefits.